Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to change WeChat ringtone on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the WeChat app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open it. Then on your screen you can see there's chats, contacts, discover and me. Tap on me, then select your profile name. Once you do that, on your screen you can see there's profile photo option, name, tickle, WeChat ID, my QR code and more. Below that you have incoming call ringtones option. Once you tap on that, on the screen it's gonna come default WeChat and change. You have to tap on change, select the ringtone you wanna add and tap on select. Once you do that, WeChat is going to change the ringtone for your phone. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.